This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Pubg mobile sound not working problem on iPhone. So if you're playing Pubg but you can't hear any sounds, don't worry. You can follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is open your Pubg and tap on this arrow icon. Tap on settings. Select graphics and audio. Here select the audio option. Now increase volume for all of these options: master, UI, SFX and background music. And then check the issue. The second solution is turn off silent mode. If your iPhone silent mode is enabled, disable it and then go to your iPhone settings. Tap on sounds and haptics. Increase the ringer and alert volume from here. Then open your control center and increase volume from here and then check the issue. The next solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll down, tap on audio visual, put this balance at the middle. And after following these solutions, hope your Pubg mobile sound not working problem will be solved. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.